Make a great choice today with the 2024 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, lane departure warning, power steering. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.